Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to yet another video for Cryptopocalypse Now. I am your host CR, and today we're looking at the juicy price action. I hope you're doing well. Let's take a look at what's happening here. Oh, never mind that. That's my market maker running right now, scraping the bottom of the barrel over here. My last video update, I left you at around here somewhere. We came all the way up. I waved you a goodbye and I said I'm not trading today. That was yesterday, and I don't know about you, but call me lucky or whatever, but this would have resulted in a couple of losses. So good thing I stepped away. We've had 7 great trade setups all along this range over here, non-stop, and then we landed on this pump. And usually in my experience, if you're having a winning streak, in my experience, there comes a time when you just have to stop. You have to walk out of the casino. And the markets are like that too. They're calm, then they give you the pump, the dump, and then this starts, whatever this is. In today's video update, I just wanted to maybe talk about like the symbols. I'm not really sure what to cover anymore because I think all the strategies are covered. I created a playlist to survive the range, and what you're looking at here is basically, yeah, price is bearish. The color is literally red, is below baseline. You have a ton of short sell signals. This is looking choppy as hell. We've been going up for a little while now. So remember I told you that you have to apply a couple of filters here. If something's not clear at the top, for me today it wasn't clear if we're going up or down, because we were right on this EQ3 line and I wasn't sure what this was all about yesterday. So I interpret this as demand, but that's just a classic interpretation, right? Wick gets sucked back in. However, there's a pattern on Bitcoin. And it goes something a little like this. So you have a strong candle that opens like this, and then prints a wick. So we've been going up, and then you have this candle, and price kind of drops after that, and you're like, oh, that's sellers over here, right? Demand. And then price starts to slowly creep up non-stop, right? These two areas, to me, what I initially had thought was that we were going to do the opposite, and we actually did. That's the funny thing about it. I was sort of anticipating this whole thing to happen the way it did. And so the baseline here is obviously very weak. You have no reclaims whatsoever. You had a couple of them over here. Punch out, there's tons of setups here, but look at that. We fell below the baselines. We have pyramids pulling us down. No significant sharp moves to the downside. Usually price likes to drip down and then finally spills. Volume comes in at the bottom. So I think this is it. I think from here on out, this is this range between 61 and DS, daily supports. But we are now below this baseline and we have an EQ pinch forming, so price is definitely going to go up. However, I don't think it will take out the top. So you have a loss of your baseline, you have a stop, you have your punch out over here, right? And price is just going down. You take profit probably at this white line over here. That's your pivot level. And so that's it. The rest of it is discounted. The rest of it is oversold. So I think it's okay to start buying between 61 and DS if price is going to give you another chance. But yeah, you have your momentum break right here indicated by these white crosses, right? You had your momentum break. By the way, I love the new look over here. They look fabulous, absolutely fantastic. Look at that. It's like momentum going up, and then it gets crossed out by a horizontal line over here, diagonally, right? I love the curve over here, very unique. So anyways, it's not about the looks. And all the way throughout, unlike our neighbors out there who go, green dot, green dot, green dot, we don't care. We short these. Below baseline. Baseline train disappeared, right? There's nothing in the way you short. All right, you're below all key moving averages. People have no idea, right? They have no idea how accurate this thing is. And yeah, we have our bearish signals all over the place over here. This was certainly an anomaly, and this is a trap. Whoever went long over here, I already told you how you guys should be exiting your trades based on what signals your exits. We have everything: stop loss, entry, exit, everything. And so what can I say? Just wanted to show you that pattern. Basically, when price spikes, immediately comes down, and then we creep up. It's a known pattern on Bitcoin, and this what we saw yesterday and today was the opposite of that. I don't know if it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, leave me some comments in the comment box down below, and we'll try to have a conversation about that. But yeah, so Mag 7, remember this was our last long signal reversal. So we pumped. I took another trade somewhere. Actually, I went long over here on this little candle over here. Stop loss was placed right below it, and it gave me 1R right here. This is a punch out setup right here. And that's it. And I went to bed. Posted my short. Looked at some futures, did a little jackrabbit over there, and this was all yours for the taking without me. And congratulations if you guys managed this, because if you watched all my videos that I've been posting over the weekend, they talked about like this kind of price action and what to do and how to survive. Oh, look at that. There you go. See, price went up, the pinch, everything. It's the same thing. But yeah, this is typical of Bitcoin, right? Does this all the time. But below baselines, if this is not clear, right, come over here and switch it up a little. Set this to 200, and then you're good to go. So you can see exactly how this cleans everything up over here. But yeah, every single bam, bam, long, short, bam, long, like it's incredible. So there you go. So you're below baselines. This is not pumping above it, okay? Whoever's longing this, wish them luck, because they're gonna regret it. Anyways, that's it for me. I think my market maker it's not gonna pick up any orders. I thought that I might be able to, trade here for a little bit automatically, but I guess not. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Our account is chugging along. Yesterday there was a little, no, that was on the 18th, not yesterday. But yeah, we did have a little loss, as you remember, but then we recovered that. And so I'm keeping track of this to keep you in the loop, just so you can see what's going on here. Let's keep growing it together. I would like you to simulate this whole experience and take something from this, right? Take something from this and make it yours and trade. By the way, there's this price action over here. You see this momentum here, how oversold this is? If you keep so much pressure on momentum, right? It's like taking a ball and trying to submerge it underwater. And the deeper you go, the harder it'll pop when it finally slips through your finger, right? And you can't do this to momentum like this. So this is deep. This is like extremely oversold. When we have like green, pay attention to the green areas over here, right? Let me scroll back a little bit. When was the last time you saw another? Tiny a little bit over here, right? Price didn't like that. The market definitely didn't like that. Let's go back. Here's another one right here. Definitely didn't like it. Here's another one right here. Ooh, didn't like that. Let's see where, oh, there's another green over here. Over here, price sold off. Boom, right? The market does not appreciate these little areas where, where idiots short the bottom. Plain and simple. Where's another green? Right here. You can see what happens when you agitate the market to this. Like, it's pissed off right now, right? So yeah, go back test. It's simply perfection when it comes to Market Spy. But yeah, would I like, if I'm not, unless there's some news right now that I don't know about, technically this is happening here on momentum. Come back to this tomorrow once it's cooled off. Remember, tiny little candles like that, unwanted candles, this is what you're looking for. By the way, this is the only area, I repeat, this is the only area where we have transitioned with the Mag 7 setup to the downside, right over here. Okay, all of these, while price was here plus these X's, we were aligned in the bearish lane territory. Not here, not here, not here, not here, not here, not here, not here. Here was another one of those instances, but I quickly realized that it's probably a fake out. But other than that, oh, and this one right here, this we transitioned to the bear side right here at the top, definitely in the bear side, and look what happened, right? So it's very easy to tell with Market Spy where you are in terms of the overall trend. All right, so hopefully you have discovered some insights in this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm very sick, but I just wanted to show my face. Not really, but thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. See you in the next episode.